Hello, my friends, and welcome to coding exercise number 8. In this exercise, we are asked to write a program that takes three numbers from the user and prints the greatest number among these three numbers. Please pause the video and think about how to solve such an exercise. I want from you to paste in the comments below your solution in order to help you solve any error or understand everything and every concept. Make sure you are understanding well from this exercises and from this course. I hope you solve it well and find the solution. I'm waiting your solutions in the comment below, okay? Don't be shy. Please, guys, if you write one line of code, please paste it in the comments below in order to help you. In order to get data from the user, we need to use the help of scanner. So I will create a var s1 equal to scanner, and I will use system.in. Don't miss to import java.util.this asterisk. This means that we are importing everything from the util package. Print, enter the first number, var x equal to s1 dot next int. In this case, I'm listening to the user input. If the user enters the first number and click enter, it will be stored inside a variable called x. Again, I will create this 3 times because I need to get 3 variables, variable y and variable z. Please enter the second number and the third number. Okay, so here we will start the comparison. If num1 or x greater than y, and if x greater than z, then we are having x as the greatest variable. Okay, so x is the greatest. Okay, this is the first case. I compared it with y. If it is greater than y, I will continue to compare it with that. So if it is greater than y and greater than z, so x is the greatest. Again, I will copy this and paste it here. If y is greater than x and x here, sorry, y is greater than z, then y is the greatest. Again, I will copy and paste it. If z, I compare it with x at first, and then I will compare it with y. Z greater than y, then z is the greatest. Okay, this is the 3 comparisons, and actually they are 6 because I'm comparing x, comparing z together. 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2, 2 here. So 6 comparisons. Click run and let's see how the program will behave. Enter the first number. I will enter 14. Enter the second number 5. Enter the third number will be 8. Click enter. 14 is the greatest. If I run the program again, 5, 6, and 88, it will give you 88 is the greatest. Okay, so in this case, we have learned how we compare the numbers, how we divide the algorithm in order to detect the greatest number among these 3 elements. Later on, we can use the math maximum function in order to detect the maximum between the